If you've always wanted a great suntan, but you're not quite sure how to get it, then we got you. Today we'll be going over how to effectively get a tan that makes you look better and healthier. And for the guys that live in countries where the sun doesn't shine, stick around, because we also got a solution for that. Have you ever noticed that some guys just seem to have a really great tan, even in the middle of winter? Well, that's because they hit up the tanning bed to get that golden glow. It's just like going to the gym, taking care of your skin, or getting a haircut. They are all ways to improve how you look. Now I know some of you guys might not be too into the idea of going to a tanning salon, but to be honest with you, it's really not that big of a deal. In fact, a lot of handsome men, they do it. Most of them start tanning before summer or before a beach vacation, so they don't get burned. But did you know that tanning can have some other benefits too, like clearing up skin problems like eczema or acne, giving you a boost of vitamin D, or even making you feel more confident. So if you're looking to get the perfect tan every time, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, hit the gym before you go tanning. This will get your blood flowing and help your skin absorb the tan better. Next, make sure to exfoliate your skin the day before you hit the tanning bed or go to the beach. This will get rid of all the dead skin cells and prevent peeling after you tan. Before you start tanning, make sure to put on some cocoa butter, reef tan oil, or a tanning lotion. This will help protect your skin and keep it moisturized. Also, be sure to increase your vitamin D intake on the day you go tanning, and shave your body to remove any barriers between your skin and the sun. First start, be careful not to spend too much time in a tanning bed so you don't burn your skin. A good routine for beginners is to go 2 times a week for 6 minutes each time. Avoid taking a shower right after you tan. If you do, only use water and no soap for the next 48 hours. This is because when you tan, UVB rays hit your skin and convert the cholesterol derivative into vitamin D3. This vitamin D3 collects on the surface of your skin and isn't absorbed into your bloodstream for up to 48 hours. So if you wash it off with soap, you'll be getting rid of all the good stuff. Step 2. Self-tanning at home. So you're looking to get a tan but you don't want to go to a tanning bed. Great call. It's not everyone's cup of tea, and tanning beds can be harmful to your health if overused. That's why self-tanning is a great alternative. It's simple and all you need to do is spray or rub on some DHA. DHA is the chemical that colors your dead skin cells. You can get it in a water-based or oil-based form. I've linked the self-tanner that I use myself in the description if you don't know which one to get. When you go to a tanning salon, they usually have mist with different levels of darkness. So make sure you pick the right one so you don't end up looking unrealistic. The amount of time your skin will stay tanned completely depends on how much DHA you use. Usually it lasts about 5 to 10 days with the optimal color before it fades. But you can make it last longer by moisturizing your skin so it doesn't peel as quickly. Now, self-tanning can seem intimidating with all the products and the fear of turning orange, but don't worry, it's actually just a few simple steps. First, you want to clean and exfoliate your skin the day before to avoid streaks and make sure your tan lasts longer. Don't forget the rough areas like elbows, knees, ankles, and your feet. And be sure to test your self-tanning product on a small area first before using it all over your body. Once you've picked the right product, you want to cover your entire body. Rub the spray, gel, or cream gently and slowly. Don't worry about hitting the same spot twice. It isn't that big of a deal. As long as you don't go over the same spot 10 to 20 times, you will be fine. If you have hair or didn't shave, make sure you spend extra time getting everything absorbed evenly in those areas. Now, after you've applied the self-tanner, wait 15 to 20 minutes before getting dressed. Wear loose clothes, not tight ones, and don't worry about the product getting on your clothes, because most self-tanning products don't smear once they're absorbed. Just make sure you give it enough time to absorb before showering or swimming. Whether you decide to self-tan at home or go to a tanning salon, it all comes down to the same thing. You want to improve your appearance and feel more confident. And that, my friend, that's the right mentality. That will be all for today, gentlemen. Hopefully this helps you to achieve your ideal suntan and boost your confidence. Let us know in the comments if you have any additional tips regarding your tanning routine. And if you like this video, be sure to check out our other videos.